Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the battery on a key fob. As you can see, for a Fiat 500 or other Fiats as well, it will be for the 500L as well. So you need to make sure you don't have anything on the key, because we will need to remove that plastic piece with a flathead screwdriver or a little knife. You need to pry that piece up, okay, just like that. Just be very gentle not to break the clips. Don't rush it, just go slow, okay, and you pull it out. It's very, very fragile. Okay, now that piece right here, you need to pry on the front. There is two clips, I think. Okay, and now you need to slide it out. And now right here you have one bolt that you need to turn to the right to unlock. Okay, as you can see, it's pointing towards unlock now. And you can pry with a screwdriver a little bit right there and open the battery tray. And that's where the battery is located. And now all you need to do, just pull it out, and this is the battery, guys. If you need it, that's the number CR2032. And then you just get the new one, push it back in like that, and then all you need to do, you just put it back together the same way we took it apart. It goes in the back there first, push it down, lock it after that, okay, all the way. You need to turn to lock like that. And now you need to slide that plastic through the keychain hole right there, and the one on top of it, make sure you can hear it clipping, okay, like that. So now, as you can see, it works. So that's how we do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.